Let's see how to use an external SSD with Steam Deck or with SteamOS, in this case Steam Deck Oled. So I have a 2 terabyte SSD here in this Asus case. Is the format 2280, so let's see how to use it with Steam Deck Oled and how to format it. I will show you two ways to format this SSD. First of all, you can use basically the official cable, or you can use let's say cables like these ones. It depends on your needs, or also you can use adapters like this one. After that, I mean, after you install games, and if you want to look better here, it's up to you. So first of all, you have to format the SSD at this point, either if it's new or if it's NTFS from Windows, it depends. You have to format that one. Let me show you. The first method, it is very simple to do it in this way. Go to settings, go to storage, and here it is. You can see the external SSD or hard drive. It depends what you use. At this point we have 1.8 terabytes, and it says here it needs to be formatted. Either you press the button here and the operation will start, or if you want to have more options, and if you want to have control over the operation, go to desktop mode, switch to desktop mode. This operation, in a way, it's more advanced, but you have you are certain basically that you are doing it right, or you can choose other formats. I will explain you immediately. So first of all, go here to application launcher, go to system and open KDE Partition Manager. You will see here the SSD. If the SSD was used previously, first of all, right click on it and you have to unmount it. At this point, because it's NTFS format, I don't need to do that. Because the SteamOS doesn't recognize this Windows basically format. You need to install different drivers, and it's a bit complicated. So first of all, press unmount if you have it here. Otherwise, press delete this partition. Press apply pending operations, and here it is, it's ready. Press OK. At this point, you will see here an unallocated space. Be very careful. Any data that you have on your external SSD will disappear. Basically, you will delete it. In this way, it will be lost. So if you want to save it previously. At this point, right click on it, and you have new option here. Press new option, and this is very important. First of all, don't forget to allow permissions, to give permissions to everyone. Basically, in this way you can install games on it. So select here everyone, and this is basically where you can format the external storage, and you can choose almost any extension that you want. This is it for Windows and NTFS. You can go with FAT32. I don't recommend it because SteamOS works perfect with ext4. This is it. This is what you should choose. ext4. This is the perfection for SteamOS. Of course, it can work with exFAT, but you won't be able to have the same performance. It works with exFAT. You can write files bigger than 4 gigabytes. It works with FAT32, but you won't be able to write files bigger than 4 gigabytes. So choose this one. Press everyone, press OK, press apply pending operation, and wait. it should be formatted in around 1 minute or something like that. So after the operation it's ready, press OK and you will see it here, ext4. At this point the drive should be running for your device. Return to gaming mode to try it, and in this way you make sure that that SSD works.